Hello research scholars, if you are finding difficulty in generating a table of contents automatically, then this video is for you. Kindly go through all the steps, you will generate your table of contents automatically without writing manually. So first one is like you have been written some of our contents like this. So if it has been jumbled, what you need to do is go for a normal text, right click on it, press on modify. Here you can just change it to justify times New Roman and make it as 12. You can also make some of a paragraph changes like the distance between the lines, and you can also change the fonts, you can also change the numbering which have been provided to it, so on. Okay, I am just making this normal content. So before it was not justified. So at one click, every content will be justified. So this is a one of a shortcut to make all the contents with a justification. So next, what the thing is, you need to just change this heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 and heading 5 as per your requirement. See, consider if the heading 1 is for making the chapters name, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So you can just change that font to 16 and the chapter 1, chapter 2 will be at the left side. So you can make it bold and you can just press OK. This is the first setting. Next, the chapter title. So it will be in the middle. So the font will be like 14. And here, if you need to generate the table of contents, you need to give the sentences in an heading. So I am making this heading with the numbers. So this numbers is going to be used for generating a figures based on the chapter number. I'm just going to discuss that in a next video. Just understand that this number has been provided for a chapter title. And next one is for subheading. So here it will be in the left column. There is no need of this identification. So you can just press OK. Indentation. Okay, then after doing all those things, whatever need to be coming into a table of contents, you need to decide it. And you need to go on, click on it and press heading. Heading 1. It is bold. Okay. Chapter 1 and this one should be at the middle. And if you are going, if you need to change this to what is this, make it as all caps, you can just go for this one. So format font, you can make all caps, underline, or you can just change the title or the what is this style, what is the font style, and what is the size it need to be given. You can just make all those changes. So now chapter 1, and here you can also make this chapter 1 as also a caps, font all caps. So if you need to make this as a header 3, you can make this as a header 3. And if you need bold, you can make it as bold. Okay, like this you can also change for subsection as well. See, consider if this is a introduction part. Inside the introduction part, you need another heading. You can go for heading 4. You can make it as header 4. If you need any other changes as well, you can just go for these things. So this is for chapter 1. So again, for a chapter 2, you can just press or click on it. Go for header 1, and this one is for header 2. So you can just see that the number is changing automatically if you are making the things under header 1. So this will be your header 3. If you need, you can make it as header 4. So what is the difference here is, if you are making header 3 and header 4, inside this header 3 or inside this level 1, this level 2 is going to be added, but as a subsection. So it is as good as subsection of level 1 or header 3. So in the same manner, you can just make it for chapter 3, like this one, and for header. So like this, you can go on changing the things. So this will be the sentences. So like this, if you need to make any of a header, you can just select it and you can just make it. You can click on this. So this is a easy version for generating the table of contents. Next, chapter 5. This can be like header 3. Both can be like header. And last one can be like references. So after doing all these changes in your document, you can go for the very first page, press enter. And what you need to do here is, in a very first page or in a fresh page, go to a ribbon called reference. Here you are having table of contents. Just these are all the sum of types or automatic tables which you can just select with. So level 1, level 2, level 3. This is what I was been just talking about, like header 1, header 2. So if you click on this, so in the reference section, you need to make the bullet wise in a square brackets. So after updating the things, you can just click on this and press update. The entire table is going to be changed. So this is a neat version. So you can just press Control and click on this name. It is going to take to that section. So this is how you are going to generate a table of contents, and it is going to route you. So if it is like 100 pages, 150 pages, easily you can go to that subtopics. See here, this is a custom table of contents. If you need more than 3 levels of headers, so you can just go for this settings. So this table of contents, and change this levels to 5. So in your, so I have been just discussing about this one. So if it is header 3 and subsection have been characterized under header 4. So what it is going to do is it is going to make an indentation. So it says that this subsection is a section of going to be coming under header 3. So in the same manner, you can make many levels. As many levels do you need? So that is as per the respective user. So header 5, header 6, or usually it will be like header 3. So there will be like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. So if you need to enhance these levels, so you can just increase this one. So automatically your table is going to be updated. So this was all about how to generate a table of contents.